Fundamentally, gold is supposed to be the ultimate safe haven. War breaks out, uncertainty rises, and precious metals, including gold, usually climb. But this time, the playbook has been defied. Even as the US-Iran conflict enters its fourth week, gold has recorded its worst weekly fall in over 40 years. So what's going on? Gold dropped nearly 11% in the week ending 20th March 2026, its sharpest decline since 1983. Prices slipped below $4,400 per ounce, even touching around $4,320 intraday. Days earlier, gold was near $5,200, and earlier this year it had hit a record $5,595.51. Now that is a steep correction in a very short span. Monday brought no relief. Prices turned volatile, swinging between $4,320 and $4,500, hovering near $4,450. This is what analysts call a whipsaw, sharp back and forth moves within a single session. Normally, geopolitical tensions nudge investors toward gold, but right now, a different force is dominating: oil prices. Brent crude has surged over 50% this month on fears of supply disruptions in West Asia, and that is triggering a chain reaction. Higher oil prices mean higher inflation. That in turn is pushing central banks to turn hawkish. So, markets are now expecting at least 3 rate hikes from the Bank of England and the European Central Bank throughout the course of the year. And even the US Federal Reserve, which was expected to cut rates, now has a 30% probability of a rate hike by October. But why do high interest rates hurt gold? Because gold does not pay interest. So when interest rates rise, investors get pulled toward assets that generate returns. That makes gold less attractive. Besides, some analysts say investors are selling gold to cover losses elsewhere, especially in volatile equity markets. There's also speculation that countries may sell gold to raise liquidity during this crisis. All of this is pushing prices down. Now, analysts say that gold is not behaving like a safe haven, and that the market is currently being driven not by fear, but by higher real yields, a stronger dollar, and portfolio adjustments. Despite the steep fall, some experts see a long-term buying opportunity. Key levels near the 200-day moving average, around $4,154 per ounce, could offer support. But the approach is cautious. Analysts recommend staggered buying, not aggressive entry. Because with the war showing no signs of abating, uncertainty is still high. Follow for more stories.